Good morning, everyone. Today, I don't have a lotto lock, I don't think, to pick. I don't know. I know today that some people are practicing that Lotto Lock Tuesday thing. And it's fun. It's something to do. Anyway, this is going to be about this new type of... Oh, I'm sorry about that. What do y'all think about this honey flavored type of wood? Yeah, I have to write it down so I know how thick the steel is. That honey stuff is looking pretty good. The pick is awesome. And then we have this one here that I did yesterday. Somebody was questioning whether or not my picks have full tangs. So I wanted to demonstrate that yes, my picks do have full tangs. You can see the steel down there. That's my dog. She likes to do that when I'm making videos. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Old style antique steel. I like that too. And then this is the one that I just did with a brand new piece of Precision brand 25,000 steel. I don't know if you see how the wood is rough. I like it like that. And yep, well, if the baby will focus. I wonder how come these things don't focus for you. I wonder why they give you such a hard time. Anyway, let me see if I can zip on in here. It's being stubborn. I wonder why my camera stays stubborn like that. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that the Precision brand steel is working out pretty nicely. I wonder if it'll focus any closer than that. I just really like that natural wood, man. I'm a natural wood kind of guy. So there's the 3 that I did in the past, say 9 or 10 days. And these right here is my old truck picks. I added some weird color to it. You know, just to keep the wood from getting moist out in the truck, man. Kind of just to protect it. You know, because we're always out in the wetness, always working out in the fields and stuff. So anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed my pick pornography. See if it'll focus. There you go. All right, fellas. You guys take care of yourselves, and I'll talk to y'all some other time.